Radiation Part 2. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about absorbing heat. Let's start with thermal radiation. To start off, let's explain the whole idea. Thermal radiation behaves like light in some ways. It can be absorbed by some surfaces and reflected from the other. So do you feel hotter wearing black clothes or white clothes? Definitely the correct answer is black clothes. The dark clothes absorb all the light and heat of radiation. The effect becomes more pronounced if the white surface is also shiny and the dark surface is matte. This is why aluminum foil is used in cooking. And of course, you have noticed that before. It reflects heat so food does not burn. And so, which material is light and has a shiny surface? Well, if we were talking about the absorbing of heat, then it has a poor absorption of heat. But dark and matte surfaces, on the other hand, are the complete opposite, since they are good absorbers of heat. Now let's talk about radiating heat. Heat absorbed depends on the type of the surface. And so, heat radiated also depends on the type of what we're talking about. A matte black surface radiates heat more rapidly, and white shiny, they do that less. So, what would be the best color for radiations in your house? If you were going to talk about the cliche ones, well, they're white, but that is only for looks. So, light and shiny surface and have a poor absorption of heat. But when it comes to the radiating of the heat, well, in such case, you would consider them to be also poor. Also, if you were talk about the light and shiny surface, they are good reflectors. Now talking about the dark matte surface, on the other hand, it is a good heat radiator. And so, this is a summary for this tutorial, and we will see you in the next one.